double identities. We have a formula of cosine squared A plus sine squared A is equal to 1. Problem is cos x is equal to 5/13. So find the sine of tau A. First, bring down the cosine x is equal to 5/13. Write the quantity, write the 2, which is the exponent, because there is an exponent in sine tau A, and plus sine tau A minus 1. 5 times 5, which is 25, and 13 times 13 is 169, plus sine tau A minus 1. So we use the transpose the sine tau A, transpose this, is equal to, instead of positive 1, we write the negative 1, we write positive 1 minus the quantity of 125 and over 169. Copy sine tau A, or sine squared A is equal to 1 over 165 and minus 25 over 165. We need to rationalize the denominator. So we have now 165 minus 25 over 169. So 169 minus 25, the result is 124 over 169. And let's divide the 124 by 169. So we have the answer of 12/13. So our sine 2 is equal to 12/13. So I have a half identities. In half identities, we have the formula of sine quantity of A over 2 is equal to positive negative square root of 1 minus cos A over 2, and sine quantity of 2 of A over 2 is equal to positive negative square root of 1 plus cos A over 2. So now, problem number 1, find the cost of 15. So let's find number that we subtract or add that the result is 15. So cosine 30 over 2, because if we divide the 30 by 2, the answer will be 15. So 30 by 2 is equal to positive negative. So we use number 2 equation here. So 1 plus cos A, so the value of A, that will be 2 all over, that will be 30 all over 2. So positive negative square root of 1 plus, so cosine of 30 is square root of 3 over 2, positive negative 2 over 2 plus 3 over, square root of 3 over 2, rationalize the denominator of, so we have now positive negative 2 plus square root of 3 over 2, because we need to cancel out this, and positive negative 2 plus square root of 3 over 2. In half identities, this to square root is not allowed, so we need to times in 1/2. So we have now 2 plus square root of 3 and 2 plus 2, 4, that will be 4, and cancel out. So we have the answer of positive negative square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 3 and 2. That is a cosine of 15. Now, if we have the 45 over 2 sine, so find the sine of A over 2 is equal to positive negative square root of, so we use the equation formula number 1 here. we're going to use this formula. So, we have the square root of positive 1 minus cosine. The value of a is 45 here over 2. So, we have positive negative square root of 1 minus cosine. The cosine of 45, that will be square root of 1 half over 2. And positive negative 2 over 2 minus 2 over 2 over 2 the denominator, and that will be 2 minus square root of 2 over 2. So we have now positive negative 2 minus square root of 2 times 1 half over 2. So add that 2, that will be 4. So copy the 2 minus square root of 2. So cancel out the 2 and 4. The answer will be positive negative square root of 2 minus square root of 2 over 2. So that is a half identities and double identities.